Hold on.
Okay guys, back at it again with part 2 of this video. And guys, just now I was wondering, like, the amplifier didn't shout out or anything, and I don't think a vibration would like break this off just like that. And I remember the video was part 1 of this video was starting. I was like, these are not really looking like they're in line, only to find out that the terminal here you have here, this one here, and this one here for the speaker terminal, 2 of them broke off and push. One you could see it pushing, so that's what this and break the capacitor part. Yeah, I was wondering, yeah, but this is gonna have to be soldered. Oh my words. So guys, I'm gonna have to do a solder repair here, which let me see, I don't think I'm gonna have to take the amplifier apart. I'm gonna have to take the face piece off here. I'm gonna put the camera, focus the camera right to where I'm going to work. Alright, so it's easier from this side. Let me start by taking the face piece apart. Oh man, just when I think it's, yeah, I guess it will never be that easy. Just solder a cap and that's it. Alright. Well, I'm at it, guys. Let me just plug this. I think I'm gonna need this solder in here. This, I bought this and you could get it on eBay, AliExpress. And this is a 150 watt solder iron. I use it to do the big, yeah, those big jobs like port terminal and stuff like that. Yeah, it's really accurate for that kind of job. I really do a good job in that. Alright. Guys, so the face piece is off. So I wonder if this, only I could take this plastic piece off, it would make it so convenient for me. I think I'm gonna have to remove the capacitor that I just put in to get more space to work with. Yep. Oh my words. Oh yeah, this is really broken too. Really broken. Man, guys, this could be easy and it could be a tough little job. Let me get this thing roughed up a little bit right here. Alright, so the terminal, everything looks good right from here. Right. Let me start with this one back here. Yeah, this soldering is not doing a good job with that part of it. So I'm gonna have to wait till this one comes alive. Alright guys, seems like there's something in my... Alright guys, whew. Wow, 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 wow. Can you imagine? And this, let me see something here. This amplifier is not like it's mono. I don't think so. Hold on. It should be mono. Yeah, it's a mono. What the heck I'm talking about? It's not mono. Two live, two ground. Okay, that's the problem. Yeah. So the two positive. Yeah, the two positive is broken off. Okay, that makes sense. One. Wow. This iron wire is too small for this job right here now. Let me go use step up with this. I like to use this one is right there. Guys, I set my smoke detector off. Come on. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's not looking good here. Good. Good. All right. Then next. Let me set this. I don't know if this camera is too much light reflection going on with this thing right now. Oh wow. good, yeah. This is touching the bottom. The circuit board here. This thing is so messed up. The damn screw got loose. These Chinese made stuff is new. Look at that. Well, this screw won't even tighten. When you want to tighten this. So guys, be careful when you're doing it. Before I was soldering it from the top, so because this soldering is really powerful. It sends melt and sends a lot of, so it's touching the circuit board down under the bottom of this thing. So be very, very careful. The solder might seep right through the board and touch the chassis of the amplifier, and yeah, that can cause a problem. Okay guys, let's go ahead and clear this solder right underneath here. Alright, that's it. Yeah, no longer making contact with the chassis. So that's good there. Really, really good. Let me get this thing off my. Solder debris left now. Remember guys, to clean up the hair before you do anything else, because yeah, so I'm gonna install this capacitor back right where it belongs. Place it right here. Wow. Guys, yeah, you guys won't be able to see this me soldering from this side, but don't worry. Just melting this a little bit. Alright. Make sure these works. Yeah, guys. The Sadian is really powerful, guys. It was melting this a little. Yeah, it was almost, but I cooled them very quick, so everything is okay, up and running, looking good. Let's see here now. Man, I'm gonna have to do a part 3 of it. Why I always have to do video with part 3 when I don't want to? Oh man, these don't prefer some title. Alright guys, I'm gonna screw the face piece on and hook it up. I already wired up, and just so you guys can see, I'm gonna have to do a part 3 of this video, as I already tell you guys about the situation why I do that. This time I have to download the file from this phone to another phone just to post a video, so I'll let you guys know. And you know, stay tuned for part 3 of this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and I'll be right back.
Hold on.